In this video, you will learn to use the Send To View functionality of the Grasshopper Connector. The Omniverse Grasshopper Connector is installed with the Omniverse Rhino connector, so you don't have to have a separate install for this. Once you have the connector installed, you will see an Omniverse tab in Grasshopper. Under the Components subsection, you will find the Omni Grasshopper component. This will be the publish node for our graphs. On this component, you will find the Send To View button, which quickly exports our Grasshopper definition to USD and opens it in Omniverse View application. But before we do that, let's talk about how it works. First, View must be installed along with Nucleus and Cache. Options for Send to View is controlled in the Settings dialog, which you can access by right-clicking on the Omni Grasshopper component and clicking on Settings. If View is installed, the default option will be Use Current. If View is not installed, the default option will be unset. If we click the down arrow here, we will see the options Use Current, Use Custom, or a list of all View currently installed. Use Current will always select the view with the highest version number. So if you update later, the next time you launch Grasshopper, it'll auto-select the updated version. For Use Custom, you would need to browse where View is installed and select the exe or the batch file to launch it. Send to View also has the option to create the output as a project or a prop. A project is composed of multiple files referenced into a single parent file. A prop is a single file resulting in a more compact output. You can read more on output types and other settings in the Rhino Grasshopper documentation. Let's click Send to View and see it in action. This will result in collecting all the Omni input type objects that are connected to our Omni Grasshopper node and publishing them to a USD. Once publishing is complete and the file is saved, View will automatically be opened with the file we have just created. Send to View will create the USD in a named location using the Grasshopper file name and a timestamp. This allows you to repeat the process as often as you like and save a new file each time. However, it is important to note that if you're using the optional project or prop path and the child name inputs, Send to View will create a project with these names if you haven't published a USD, and will override the file if there's an existing prop or project with the same name. Now, we can look at our model in View. In summary, Send to View lets you quickly bring your Grasshopper definitions in View and explore the possibilities.